What's up, traders? Welcome to another video here at Forex Life. I know I haven't been active much, but I have been a little bit under the weather, but I'm back now and ready to share some new content with you guys. So this video I'm going to keep really short. It's a quick scalping strategy for you guys where you can scalp at least 5 candles at a time to maximize your profits. Also, if this is your first time here at Forex Life, please go ahead and click that subscribe button, like the video, and comment down below. Share it as much as you can so other beginner traders can also get the video and they can make profits and become profitable. I will leave a link down below in the description for you guys to join my free Telegram channel. As you can see, we do run specials on our services and we send free indicators. Um, Correction, not free indicators, free signals. We will be dropping free indicators as well once we backtest them and we know that it's profitable and you guys can use them. We will drop free indicators, but we do drop free signals as well, and you guys will be able to get those free signals and join the paid signals group if you would like to. But let's get back to the strategy. First thing that I'm going to do is address the zoom level. So this is the lowest zoom level. What you want to do is you just want to zoom 1, and that will be the zoom level. So lowest, and you just zoom once. We're going to head straight into the indicators. And while we do that, I will just go ahead and take a sell over here on boom 1000, and I'll explain why I'm taking the sell as well. So we're going to go into the indicators. First indicator you're going to load is the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. These are the settings. Period 1, apply to close, style 2 pixel, you can use any color of your choice. And then the levels. These are the levels. We want level 95, 5, 80, 15, and 0. 3 pixel, and I just chose black. The second indicator that we will be loading on indicator window 1 over here would be your moving average. So it will be period 10, shift 1, method linear weight, apply to close, and 3 pixel and any color of your choice. The next indicator we will be loading is another RSI. So this will be in indicator window 2, and it will be the same period 1, apply to close, style 3 pixels, the exact same levels, and any color of your choice. And then the next indicator that we will load under indicator window 1 would be the Ichimoku, and we will see the parameters is 999, and we will check this box over here that says full. And then the only two colors we need under styles, the first one, which will be the 3 pixel, any color of your choice, and the second one will be black. And then the last three will be the color of your background of your chart. So if your chart is white, it will be white. If it's black, it will be black. Once you're done, you just click on done, and your chart should look like this. So the confirmations to take the trade is really simple. Okay, so as we can see on boom 1000, what needs to happen is the RSI needs to be in between these levels, in between level 95 and 80, and the Ichimoku needs to be on level 95. You go in, you take the trade, you take your 5 candles. Once you take your 5 candles, you close. You can scalp 2 candles, 5 candles, anything of your choice, whatever you like. This entry was taken a bit prematurely because what I like to do with the strategy is I like the Ichimoku to be at level 80. I don't like it to be in between these two levels. Level 18 is a much more accurate entry, and the moving average to be in between those levels. Okay, so for this sake, what I'll do is, because I entered prematurely, I'll go ahead and I'll just close this out, and we'll look for another opportunity. So over here, as we can see, the moving average is in between these two levels, level 95 and level 80. And over here, the Ichimoku is bouncing off level 80. That's what I want to see. You go in and you take your 5 candles. You take your 5 candles over there and you close out on the market. You take your profits and you run. Over here again we can see moving average is in between these two zones and the RSI is at level 80. We take 5 candles and we close. Over here same confirmations were met. Moving average between those two levels, Ichimoku at level 80. You enter the trade and you take your 5 candles. So this is a really easy strategy to use in order to scalp the market for the 5 candles. And of course it's just the opposite for the crash pairs. So over here on crash 1000, confirmations are not met yet to scalp, to enter the market. Our moving average is in between these zones, level 5 and 15. However, our Ichimoku is not at level 15 yet. So we won't take any trade over here. This is what we need to see. Right over here, we can see the moving average is in between level 15 and 5. The Ichimoku is bouncing off level 15. We enter the trade, take our 5 candles and close. Then over here, same thing happened. Moving average in between the zones. Ichimoku is bouncing off level 15. We take the trade, 5 candles and close. Just look for another opportunity. So over here we have an opportunity. The moving average is in between level 15 and 5. The Ichimoku is at level 15. We enter the trade, take 5 candles and close. This works on all pairs. We can check boom 300 as well. So over here we have a confirmation. The moving average is in between the zone level 80 and 95. The Ichimoku is bouncing off level 80. You enter the trade, take your 5 candles and you close. And just look for another opportunity. So we can see over here confirmation has been met once again. The moving average is in between level 95 and level 80. And the Ichimoku is above level 80. But it's not that far in between. So I would still go ahead and take this trade, take my 5 candles and close. Like I said, it works on all pairs, guys. You can check it on crash 500 as well. Right over here we have a confirmation. So here we have the moving average in between the levels. We have the Ichimoku bouncing off level 15. You enter the trade, take your 5 candles and you close. Over here we have another example. Moving average in between level 15 and 5. Ichimoku at level 15. You enter the trade. You take your 5 candles and you close. So this is a very powerful strategy that you guys can use to grow small accounts. You can also build your account compounded so that you guys can continue to get those profits. Remember, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Like this video as much as possible. Share it as much as possible. I'll leave the link in the description below to the Telegram channel where you guys can communicate with me privately as well. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.